In the busy world of cooking, little mishaps are inevitable. For example, when boiling pasta, a good trick is to add a drop of olive oil to prevent sticking. When leftovers overflow in your fridge, consider using mason jars. They're perfect for portioning and add a charming aesthetic. You can also keep herbs fresh by placing them upright in a jar with water, like a bouquet. Lastly, when kitchen clutter overwhelms, use a lazy Susan to create a rotating pantry that maximizes space. These simple yet effective solutions will inspire joy and efficiency in your cooking adventures.